don't chase the sky. Some wings were never taught to land. You mistook the open wind for somewhere you could finally stand. Every hand that reached for you felt like something you might lose. So you flew before the dawn, leaving feathers, leaving bruises. Funny how the safest place was the one you couldn't see. You were never caged, my friend. You were only scared to breathe. Oh, wounded bird, you kept flying from the light, thinking every open door would somehow steal your flight. Now the sky is quiet too, and the nest has disappeared. Turns out you weren't running from love, just the echoes of your fear. She was never asking much, only for a place beside you. But every kindness felt too close, so distance became your truth. The storm was living in your chest, not inside the world below. How could someone hold your heart when you wouldn't let it slow? Maybe healing isn't flying, maybe it's learning how to stay, trusting that the gentle hands won't always push away.